Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers, and on this day in 1995, the Ohana restaurant opened at the Polynesian Resort at Walt Disney World. Ohana replaced the Papeete Bay Verandah restaurant, which debuted with the resort in 1971. Ohana is said to have the world's largest fire pit at 18 feet across. For dinner, skewers of meat are grilled over this fire and served to guests family style, along with Hawaiian-style accompaniments. Lilo and Stitch joined guests daily for the best friends character breakfast as well. Pretty cool, huh? Have you eaten there? What's your favorite thing on the menu? I haven't gotten to yet. I hope they let me. Anyway, have a magical day.